I had a friend that attended Great Oaks, and that's how I learned about electromechanical maintenance technology. Every little piece, I mean, the screw that you put into your toaster is a process that has to be done, and it has to be maintained. So that's what got me into this field, that and robotics.
Some people attend a university or school because their parents attended that university or school. But I attended Great Oaks because I have a son who attended and graduated from Great Oaks.
I've been bartending, serving for about 10 years, 10, 11 years. Man, just wanted to get out of it, just wanted a different avenue, and Great Oaks provided me the way to do that. My dad is a graduate of the Oaks. He actually went to Scarlett. He told me that, it was a really good way to hit the ground running.
I rode with 3 different agencies, and at every agency, the officers I rode with spoke very highly of Great Oaks Police Academy, the instructors, the curriculum, and the hands-on application.
At Great Oaks, we got a toolkit. So we got basically all the starter tools that we would need to complete jobs. I just wanted the hands-on experience. I think Great Oaks stepped up my game a lot. Missed a lot of stuff I was probably doing incorrectly, but I was getting the job done, or I was going the long way when it was a shorter way to do it.
Electromechanical maintenance teaches the foundations of repair of industrial processes and machines.
The equipment that I learned how to operate at Great Oaks was a dozer, excavator, skid steer, wheel loader, compactor. Those are the majority of what's going to get you started out there.
I remember my very first day at Great Oaks was just so exciting. We got to pour molds the very first night of class. Not only have we taken digital x-rays, but we know how to expose film.
My time in this class was fantastic. I met some of the greatest people, some really knowledgeable people from all walks of life. It was great.
This is a great time to be coming into the fire service. We have a firefighter shortage. We find here in Hamilton County and the city of Cincinnati, we're running just a little short of 200 people a day.
If you're looking to come to Great Oaks, the way they teach things is different than what you expect instead of college, because you get actual experience. You're trying to find a solution to a puzzle. Usually there's something missing about it, and one error inside of it can change the entirety of it. Learning environment is great.
This course has really changed my life. I'm going to be able to go in the diesel field knowing everything I need to know. We're always going to need big trucks to move products, and we're always going to need mechanics to fix those big trucks.
Having been through the program here at Great Oaks, specifically here at Scarlett, it's been an important stepping stone towards my future, and it doesn't stop here. I can continue on and up so long as I apply myself.
I love what I do. I love getting up and going to work, and at the end of the day, I can look back and know that I did something for the community.
My big picture with welding is I would like to be able to make a lot of money with it, travel a little bit if I can, and then eventually settle down on 20 to 50 acres and be more self-sufficient. Have my own shop and everything on my own property.
Great Oaks brings great instructors and great training to everybody.
I've been empowered with knowledge and education, and that's going to help me to help others.
12 career paths for adults. Adults.greatoaks.com or 513-771-8881.